In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove password from Windows 11 lock screen. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, open settings in your computer. After that, go to settings and now click on accounts. You can see it in the left panel. Click on it and now go to sign in options. You can see it here. Go to this tab and here click on password. Here is password. I just need to open it and after that click on change. You can see it here. Just click on it and after that enter your current password. I'll type it here and then click on next, just like so. And now you can enter your new password, but we don't want to add any password, so for that we will leave it as it is. And then enter your password hint. We must need to provide any hint in order to change our password. I'll type here hint and then click on next. After that click on finish and now as you can see my password has been changed and there is no password in my computer. If I go back to my desktop and press Windows L to lock my desktop, and now as you can see it is not asking me for any password anymore. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.